Intro. Welcome to today's English learning journey. We're diving into one of the most powerful short stories ever written, The Necklace by Guy de Maupassant. This is a tale about beauty, pride, dreams, and a shocking twist. And as we go, you'll learn new expressions, storytelling phrases, and vocabulary that will make your English even stronger. Let's get started. Chapter 1. A Woman Who Dreamed Too Much. Mathilde Loisel was beautiful. She was charming. But she was not rich. She was born into a simple family. No money, no title, no luxury. She married a clerk who worked in a small office. He loved her deeply, but Mathilde wasn't happy. She suffered from the poverty of her home, the worn furniture, and the plain walls. She longed for a life of elegance and luxury. At night, she would close her eyes and imagine golden chandeliers, soft music, elegant dinners with fine wine and laughter. But reality was different. Soup for dinner, no new clothes, and no invitations. Chapter 2. An invitation that changed everything. One day, her husband came home excited. "Look, dear, I have something for you." He handed her a thick envelope. Inside was an invitation to a grand ball at the Ministry of Education. But instead of being happy, Mathilde cried, "I have nothing to wear." She turned away ashamed. So her kind husband gave her 400 francs, money he had saved for something else, to buy a dress. But even with the dress, Mathilde was not satisfied. "I need a necklace," she said. She visited her rich friend, Madame Forestier, and borrowed a beautiful diamond necklace. Her eyes sparkled with excitement. Chapter 3. One magical night. The night of the ball arrived. Mathilde was stunning. Everyone turned to look at her. She was the center of attention. She danced, laughed, and forgot her worries. She felt like a queen. She was on cloud 9. But at the end of the night, reality returned. She looked in the mirror and screamed. The necklace was gone. Chapter 4. The Price of a Lie. They searched everywhere. The streets, the taxi, the ballroom. Nothing. They didn't tell Madame Forestier the truth. Instead, they bought a new necklace. They replaced it with one that looked exactly the same. It cost 36,000 francs, an enormous amount of money. They borrowed. They sold everything. And then they worked. They lived in poverty. They moved to a tiny apartment. She washed clothes by hand. He worked overtime. It took them 10 years to pay off the debt. Chapter 5. The Final Twist. 10 years passed. Mathilde had aged. She had lost her beauty, her youth, and her dreams. One day, she saw Madame Forestier on the street. "I returned your necklace long ago," she said, "but I lost the original. We bought a new one." Madame Forestier was shocked. My necklace was fake. It was worth maybe 500 francs. Mathilde stood frozen. Her eyes widened. Her lips trembled. She had wasted 10 years of her life. For nothing. Chapter 6. What can we learn? So, what is the message of the necklace? Be honest, even when it's hard. Don't judge your life by appearance. And above all, be grateful. Honesty is the best policy. Not everything that shines is gold. Gratitude turns what we have into enough.